Bonjour French Chic ladies, it's Marianne, and today in this video we are going to do some unboxing and I will show you pieces from two French brands from Paris. If you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on that little bell in order to receive the video notifications. Merci. Please note that this video is kindly sponsored by ShopTagger. ShopTagger is an app and Chrome extension that uses clever tech to ensure that you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. Please check the link below. As you may know, I have been shopping ShopTagger for well over 2 years now, and I love using that app because it's always helping to save money. And this in unboxing we're going to have a look at now. I saved 30% in the Black Friday sales. So download your app now, it's completely free, and choose the link below. ShopTagger.com, you click on Get ShopTagger and it's completely free. So head over to your favorite store and when you have found an item you really like, you can save it on ShopTagger. You click on the button and you can choose the size, notify when the item changes price, so 50%, let's do this, choose the list. Here all your items are arranged in list, which is very practical, and you save it. And here are my items saved in my shopping list on ShopTagger, for which I will receive notifications when the item goes on sale, either via email or via push notifications on my mobile app. And now at checkout, ShopTagger will automatically scan the internet for coupons to give you the best deals. ShopTagger has just launched a new cashback feature. You can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners, and now more than ever, it's important to get maximum value. In the cashback area of your dashboard, you can have a look at all the brands that offer you 2% cashback. To download ShopTagger, please look below this video for the link to ShopTagger.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. So if you want to save money every time you go shopping, especially for the pre and post holiday sales, please download ShopTagger app below on the link below, and make sure you download ShopTagger on both your computer and your phone. So let's do this unboxing and let me tell you how much was saved thanks to ShopTagger. On y va? So, my two parcels! Woohoo! You know something? I waited a whole day. I received them yesterday. So I waited to do this video. I know what I ordered, but let's have a look. So I opened the parcel, of course, yesterday just to see, who it was from. But I did not open the actual package. So it is from Maje, brand from Paris, French brand, Maje Paris. I saw their clothes when I went to Paris last time in October. So they are beautiful. So let's see what I have in this parcel. So you can see it's still, it's not opened. Oh, what is that? So let's have a look. I don't want to tear the paper just in case I have to send it back because I have not tried this on. I have not tried it on. And it's the first time that I order from them. So just in case the sizing is wrong. Oh, a letter from Maje as well. A lovely card. Ma chère Marianne, joyeux Noël, much love. Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is superb. This is a Chanel style tweed jacket. Look how beautiful that is. I'll turn it around. And again, it is nipped in at the waistline. So to give a nice shape. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's have a look on me. Oh, beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. So this has wool in it, 6% wool. It has some recycled cotton. really soft to the touch in tweed. Look at those buttons, those beautiful gold buttons. The finish is, oh, I have to undo the pocket here, but look at this, even the lining inside the pocket, that is beautiful. Let's have a look at the beautiful lining. Oh, I love it. Love the lining. This is size 38. For those of you interested, there is a link below in the description below this video, in the description box. Look at, there's a button as well on the sleeves. Well finished. Look at this. And the back, that is the back of the neck. Plain white, cotton. That is beautiful. My beautiful French chic ladies, this is a piece to invest in. And don't forget that thanks to ShopTagger, I saved 30%. I saved way over 100 euros. I think I saved 110 euros, something like that. So in dollars, probably $125. I saved 30%. So that's really good. Really good way to purchase good pieces. During the sale, there's no point in buying cheap things, low quality. Buy higher quality things that are timeless, classic, you can wear and love for years and years and years. Please let me know what you think of this. Another parcel for you. What could it be? This is really, really heavy, and this is from another French brand. So let's have a look. Woo! Woo! Who is it from? Claudie Pierlot. Claudie Pierlot from Paris. Okay, so please let me know below if you have heard of Claudie Pierlot. So I've got, so let's have a look at, whoa, okay. So I made a little hole already in that parcel there. So there are three packages. So I think they've put things together. Could have been better wrapped, I think, for something that's quality. Maje was much better presented. Oh, much better presented. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Again, you know me, I love jackets. Love jackets and shoes. But I do wear my jackets. Oh, this is nice. So this one, it was presented as inner side as tighter fitting, and I think for a jacket shouldn't be as tight. So I chose a size 40, and I'm a 38. So we'll have a look later. But look at this. So please let me know next to me. What do you think? So this is really nice. Again, this is a timeless jacket, and in red, very classic in France. It has some blue and some white. So again, bleu, blanc, rouge. So that's going to be silver buttons. The buttons are beautiful. Really beautiful buttons close up. It has two little pockets on the side that I need to open up later. Again, it is nipped in at the waistline. Ladies, if you want to look like you have a nipped in waistline, choose clothes that are nipped in at the waistline. That will give you a nice eyeglass figure. Again, this one, I think I saved 30% or 50% altogether. I saved 666 euro, 66, on all my purchases thanks to ShopTagger. Again, have a look below and download the free app from ShopTagger if you haven't already, because every time something changes price, you get a notification, and then you still have time to order it. Otherwise, you may miss the sale. So I did not miss the sale, and here it is. So this is really nice. Let's have a look inside. Let's have a look. Again, this jacket can be worn in so many ways. I love versatility of pieces. As French women, that's what we look for in a wardrobe. Highly versatile, many ways to wear it, longevity, timelessness, classic. And this is inside. A bright red lining. This is really nice, really, really nice. You can wear that in all seasons, I kid you not, because In the summer, you can wear that of an evening over your little tops and your dresses. But even in the autumn and winter, you can use that as an extra layer under your coat or your jacket. Okay, you could wear here, for instance, so you've got red, navy, and white. You could wear a roll-neck top in white, roll-neck top in navy, and a pair of jeans. Perfect. And then you can wear your coat over it. I love it, love it, love it. So what is next? Let's pick this one. You know, it can be very difficult, very hard to resist the lure of the parcel. But I waited for you, my French Chic ladies, so you would have the pleasure to see it and discover them with me. Oh, with me. Sorry, I can't finish my sentences. Just discovering this. Another jacket. Oh my gosh, this is nice. Gold buttons. This is a short jacket again. So this is a tweed jacket again, but with the trim in denim. So you can dress this down, dress it up. And a button at the cuffs here, at the sleeves, and you've got 2 pockets on the side. I don't advise you to put anything in the pockets at the breast, obviously, for obvious reasons. So let's have a look. Let's open it up, unbutton it, and again, this how versatile is a jacket like this, because so this one for 4 seasons, especially here in Normandie, that's a 4-season jacket. That's the inside, navy blue lining, and that's the back. Look at that. So many ways to wear it again. What do you think? Again, there will be a link below this video. If you're interested in this item, they are still for sale now, so if you like that. And this one, I chose where's the size? I think it's 38, this one. 38, which is a size 6 US. These are beautiful. I have quite a number of jackets. I must say, I am not a minimalist for jackets, but I do wear my jackets. So versatile. And some jackets I've had absolutely for years and years and years. It changes an outfit, you know. So what is in the last parcel? I think they've put a number of items in that last one. So, woohoo! So let's have a look here first. Oh wow, this is nice. So they presented that as a t-shirt. I see it as a shirt myself. It's got the buttons all the way down. It's got pleats at the front. This is really nice. And it's got a lavalier, but a shorter one. So you can wear it a little bit longer. I just love lavalier, those ties. And the simple sleeves and cups in cotton with 2 little silver buttons on the sleeve. And the back is plain cotton. So the pleats are only at the front. The pleats look like pinstripe. That looks very smart. This is really nice. Very affordable, this one. Very affordable. Again, I've put the link below this video if you're still interested. But look again, just have a look. That will go with that jacket, will go with that jacket, and will go with the other jacket I've got. Okay, you can see already, okay, things can be worn with each other. Now, what have we got? It is navy and white. We've got pinstripes here. It is a trouser suit. So let's start with the jacket again. Oh, look at that. So single-breasted ladies is always a slimming style. Okay, it's the longer style jacket that is trendy at the moment. And the sleeve got 3 little plain buttons in navy. Okay, let's have a look inside. We've got 2 pockets on the side. You know what I like about trouser suits is that you can wear them together, but of course you can wear them, and you should wear them, independently, separately, so that you get even more wear out of it. And inside a plain lining in navy blue. And this one again is a size 38. So 38 French sizing is a UK size 10 or a US size 6. So it can be worn fastened up, can be worn open, can be worn even with a belt. Let's have a look. And again, that shirt can be worn with this. Now we have the trousers. So tailored trousers, pinstripe, blue. Oh, this is nice. I'm putting the hand in my pocket. This is really, really nice. Really tailored. That looks very dressy, especially the suits. But if you wear that, you could wear that with roll neck top in white, in navy as well, in something contrasting. Dress it down with flat shoes if you want. Really, really nice. Oh wow, that is nice. And the front is like this. Let's have a look at how it fastens. Fastened on the side, the button here and another button here. You can see it's well done, well finished. I like it's a little bit different. You know, it closes at the front like this. And this one was a 38 again. Yeah. This is it. Again, all the items are linked below, so look in the description box below this video for the link to this item. They're still available at the moment. Again, thanks to ShopTagger, I saved 666 euros altogether on these 2 parcels. I think it's really huge saving to be made. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and those pieces that I bought. Please let me know what you think of the pieces. And of course, please download ShopTagger on your computer and your phone. The link is below this video. Thank you very much for watching. Au revoir.